Hi, welcome to our channel Living North of Atlanta, Georgia. I'm Shonna with eXp Realty, and today we are visiting a community called Little River Falls. It's in Woodstock, Georgia, and the builder here is Meritage Homes. These homes run from the low 2000s to the high 3000s in their square footage, and anywhere from 3 to 5 bedrooms and 2.5 to 4 baths. The prices on the homes run from the low to high 500s, and there are some basement lots available here. There are 105 home sites here, and they are pre-selling, so there's plenty of time for you to get on in here and get your lot claimed. So before we actually go in, let's take a quick look around the neighborhood and see what's going on. This is the entrance to the neighborhood. It's just off of Arnold Mill Road, about 1.5 miles from downtown Woodstock. You can see there's building going on everywhere here. As I said, 105 home sites. There are 7 different plans available. We've got a lot of them going up. And there will be a pool and cabana here. Green space, play space for kids. And just a very nice area and neighborhood for your family. Now, before we actually take a look at the model, make sure, if you haven't already, that you like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we have future tours coming available. This home is the Dakota model. It is 4 bedrooms, it's 2.5 baths, and it's 2,479 square feet. Let's go in and take a look. As we enter the front door, first you come to a study or library or living room here on the right. It's a very nice size. You can fit a couple of desks in here. To the left is a closet under the stairs, and to the right is a coat closet. We'll head up the stairs after we hit the bottom floor. This is a really great floor plan. It's 2,479 square feet, so it's really just the right size for a family and not too big. Some of the things I really love about this kitchen and this home is it's all open, so everybody can be in the same space at the same time. And in here, there's so much counter space and a huge walk-in pantry. A very nice feature. So coming out of the kitchen, there's room here for your dining area and your living area. There's so much light that comes in here. Also a patio, electric fireplace. In here, we have a half bath. This is where you'll come in from the garage. There's like a little mud bench here. Let's run upstairs and take a look there. Okay, as we get to the top level, all of the bedrooms are here on the second level. Here's bedroom number 1. Now we'll take a look here. There is spray foam insulation, so these homes are well insulated. That really helps on your utility costs. Very nice sized laundry room. Here's the shared bath, and it's also a great size. It's got the dual vanities, shower tub combination. There's a linen closet here. Here you'll have your second bedroom, and it has a walk-in closet. Bedroom number 3 on the back of the house also has a walk-in closet. And finally, the primary suite. Really large, very nice. Has a sitting area. Plenty of space in here. And the primary bath. Dual vanities again. The linen closet. A nice size shower, tile. A water closet. And a very generous primary closet. Well, thanks so much for watching. That concludes our tour of the Dakota model here at Little River Falls in Woodstock, Georgia. If we can help you here or in any other of our communities, please reach out to us and let us know. All of my contact information is below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, be sure and like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we have future tours coming available. Have a great day.